Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do my Boxycharm, and oops, I just received this in the mail. And then this one's is Galaxy Glow. So we're gonna jump right in. The first thing that we have in here, I see we have the Crown Pro Trio brush set. And it says this retails for $29.99. The next thing that's in here is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlight Palette. And this retails for $39.99. And this has 6 stunning holographic shades, as you can see. They're nice and pretty. Cover FX Shimmer Veil. And then it says these multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease proof. It's in a gorgeous color. It is like a rose gold with like a purpley like undertone. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Wow, that is incredible. So this actually retails for $28. And then we have the Pure Complexion Authority, the Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator, and this retails for $17. Okay, hey. And then last but not least in my box is the Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Pencil, and this retails for $21 and it's by Jessica Libeskind. Probably gonna say her name wrong. So, all right, a lot of stuff to play with. So, as you know, Boxycharm, I pay $21 a month, and it is valued over $100, which is not a bad thing. This is almost $150 right here in this box. So thank you, Boxycharm, and let's try to create a look with everything. Well, I already put on my contour, bronzer, and a little bit of my blush, and today is Valentine's Day. So I am gonna do a little bit of eyes, not very much. I'm not going out anywhere. I actually was in the hospital. So, I was watching Kim Tai, but yeah, I was in the hospital with my son, so we're just gonna do something really quick. So, I'm going to be using the ColourPop palette. All I see is Magic. Got some nice little pretty colors in here. And now I'm going to go in with my brown bone highlight, and I'm going to use this color right here. And that color is Treat Yourself. And I'm just gonna take that and do my brow bone highlight. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually gonna take this really pretty color that's here. It's called Now and Zen. And I'm going to take that and I'm gonna use that to do my inner corner. Wow, how pretty. So I want that inside nice and open. Okay, I'm going to take this Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and I'm actually gonna put this all over the lid. Really pretty. Okay, and being that I put that, I am actually going to go in with back into that color, this top-notch color, and I'm gonna deepen it inside the crease so I can blend all that together. tight line with my vintage Smokey eye pencil. I also took it down into my waterline. I'm gonna take some of that Never Never color and just put it on the outside. Just a little bit. Actually, I'm just gonna smoke out the bottom line with that color. I'm doing it really close to the waterline and smudging out that color, that black pencil. I'm actually going to go in with mascara, and I'm using the Beauty Evolve Volumizing Mascara. And I'm not going to do any false lashes just because I'm not in the mood to do them. A couple coats of mascara. Just some on the lower lash line as well. This mascara is not that bad. I'm gonna do it really simple. I'm actually not even gonna do a wing liner. I don't think that the look really needs it. Now we're gonna go in with our Naked Cosmetics and do our highlighter. And I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's pretty. So I'm gonna take that color. I'm gonna use my ColourPop small fluff brush. And I'm gonna tap it there. And put it on the high. Oh, that's pretty. Cheekbones, and it totally matches the shimmer veil. Just perfect, this brush. Put some on the high points. My lips. We are gonna go in with our Kathleenlights and ColourPop collaboration in the color Red. Just because it's fun color, matches with my eyeshadow. So it's Valentine's Day. I figure a little pop of colors. So here's the final look. So we got to play with everything in our Boxycharm except the Pure Plumping Lip Exfoliator, which I'm actually going to play with probably before I go to bed. I liked everything in the box this month. I think I didn't play with the brushes either because I already did my face. But I'm going to play with that as well. The highlighting palette is really super cool. The cover effects I love. The shimmering veil and the Smokey eye pencil by Vintage I really like as well. So yeah, I have nothing bad to say. I also got to play with my new eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, the All I See Is Magic, which I absolutely love every single color that's in here. And I'm going to be doing some more looks with this. So I like that. And yeah, that completes this video. If you liked the way that I did my Boxycharm this month, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And just let me know what you got in your box and if everything was to your liking. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.